everyone, Maxine here with Tink and I Treasures. Welcome back to my studio. I wanted to do a share today on a journal I've made. This was using mostly, some things came from my stash, but mostly it was using a kit, the January kit that I got from Scrapbooking with Me, over at Scrapbooking with Me. And I wanted to share what I came up with. It was a nice little kit. I was really pleased with the things that came in the kit. And so yeah, I wanted to share this little journal that I made. These are pages from the kit, and I did some script stamp over it. This cover itself was cardstock that came in the kit, and I put corner protectors on from my stash. And these are bits from the kit. You got this floral bits set of little pieces of ephemera like this that were, really fun to use. So I added those here, and this page came from the kit too. And that really resonated with me right now. So I thought, yeah. The kit did come with a piece of ribbon. This, however, is from my stash. And we open it up, and I added some of the embellishment here. This is a page from the kit that I used to make the pocket. This here is from my stash, along with these tags are from my stash. This is from the kit, and one of the pieces of ephemera I added there. I did, what do they call it? Hinge. I did it hinge style. The pages themselves are 6 by 8, and this is what's left. Really pretty paper. I really enjoyed working with it, but they're 6 by 8. So I put 2 together and then ran a piece of, on the inside I put coffee dyed paper. On the outsides I took strips from the pages and hinged 2 pages together so they would be the right size. This tag I made it's from my stash, along with this. This is a page from the kit. And then I added, the only thing I used was pages from the kit and plain coffee dyed paper. That's all I've used in here. This, I added a little embellishment. I did some stamping there with some script. This is also one of the embellishments that came in the kit. That came in the kit, and I did some script stamping. Again, from the kit and from the kit. This pocket, this is from the kit. This butterfly is from the kit. This is a little card. It says, "Grateful for today." And that's from the kit. This is from my stash. It's a little envelope thing. Again, this is from the kit. This is from my stash, but these came in the kit. I only have a few left, but you got some of those dots, enamel dots, I guess. This is from my stash. Here I did, this is from the kit, and I did some scripts stamping on the back of that. Again, that's from the kit. And I did some stamping there. So I left these mostly plain for writing. Here's another tag. That's from my stash, and so is this pocket from my stash. There's the middle, humbled and grateful. I like that. I kind of left this blank. I wanted, of course, that to show. And I really liked this paper that was in the kit, so I just left it. Here I added some little embellishments to the tags there. Okay, here's more from the kit, and of course the paper. This is from my stash, but this I made from the kit, from the paper. The kit also came with, I think, 4 of these little butterfly brads. The other ones I'm sure I'm going to be hoarding, but I did use one for this. And this is just a little journaling spot. Opens up, and it's been lined with coffee dyed paper, and this is paper from the kit, of course. So yeah. So yeah, I think I'll probably be hoarding the rest of those brads. They're so pretty. And then just some more coffee dyed paper, a little bit of stamping, little something from my stash. This pocket is from my stash, but I added elements from the kit here and here. And this is from my stash as well. It's a little tag with a side tuck. Thought that would be fun. On this side we have another pocket. This is from my kit. These little elements are from the kit. And this is another tag with a little tuck spot. This is all from my stash. Oops. Here's a little element from the kit, along with some stamping I did. This is from my stash, and some old book page and some stamping. Here's another, this, of course, the page, like I said, all the paper is either coffee dyed or from the kit. This was from my stash. This is a journaling card from the kit. There are a few of those. Let me see if I can show you. Oh, here we go. Well, there's some of them. It has these little journaling cards in this paper pad. There was 2 of them. I don't think I used the other one. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So yeah, it's simple stories, simple vintage weathered garden. So yeah, it's a really nice little paper pack. I enjoyed working with it. And there's the back, and here I did a couple of cutouts from the kit to use as little anchors, and I just made this envelope to go inside. So this is from my stash. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's a sweet little journal. It's not horribly big, but plenty of room for writing, planning, dreaming. You know, what you use journals for, maybe writing down thoughts or feelings or events. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for joining me today. And, you know, check out Scrapbooking with me. And she has a YouTube channel, and on one of her videos will be a link to her shop. I'm sure it's on all her videos. Yeah, she has a monthly kit. You can buy either, you know, 1 month at a time, or you can sign up, I believe, for a membership to get a few months worth of the kits. But they're really nice. I've purchased a lot of different kits, and a lot of times I'm wholly disappointed, but this one I really enjoyed. It had a lot of nice things in it, and the price is reasonable. So yeah, check that out and see what you can make. Until next time, take care of you, love each other, and I'll see you again. Bye.